Today's lesson is lesson 88, estimating and finding the area of a rectangle. So we're going to say that my colored tiles here each have a side of 1 inch long, and the area is 1 square inch. So I'm going to estimate the area in square inches of each of these rectangles by filling up with tiles. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then I have to do the next row. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this rectangle, how many rows do I have? I have 2 rows. And how many tiles are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so, and it took me 12 tiles to cover this rectangle. So if this is rectangle A, okay, this equals 12. The area of this rectangle equals 12. Okay, well, let's try this next rectangle. I'm just going to move the tiles from the one to the other. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so how many rows do I have in this rectangle? Well, I have 3. And how many squares are in each row? There are 4. So the area, and how many squares did I use total? I used 12. So the area equals 12. Okay, so if you notice, we have to find the answer, we would multiply the length times the width. 2 times 6 equals 12, and 3 times 4 equals 12. The area of a rectangle equals the length, L, times the width. So in this rectangle, I have 3 inches and the 7 inches. Okay, so I would have to use 3 rows of tiles and then have 7 tiles in each row. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know it's not exactly even, but it's close. Okay, so I could count all these tiles, or I could think, okay, what is 7 times 3? 7 times 3 equals 21 inches. So the area of this rectangle would be 21 inches. Hey, what about this one? Here I have 3 inches and 5 inches. So to find the area equals length times width. So that would equal 5 inches times 3 inches. 5 inches times 3 inches equals 15 inches. Okay, let's do the other one. We have 9 inches and 2 inches. Area equals length times width. So I do 9 inches times 2 inches, and 9 times 2 is 18 inches. We can also do this with feet. That would be if we use a much larger scale. Okay, so this shape is 10 feet by 30 feet. Okay, and if you've seen tiles on the floor, they're usually about 1 foot a piece. Okay, so I would multiply these numbers together. 10 feet times 30 feet. Well, 10 feet times 30 feet equals 300. And then since area, we actually write it as square feet because they make a square. And these ones should have been square inches, and I made that mistake. Square inches. Whenever we deal with area, we always write square inches or square feet. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.